If you're seeing the Slack error, no underscore text, don't worry, this is usually a very simple fix. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to resolve it step by step so you can get your Slack request working again without confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and developer tutorials. Now let's jump in. The Slack no underscore text error usually happens when your request body is missing a required text field or when that field is empty. In many cases, Slack expects at least one piece of plain text so it knows what message to send or what fallback content to display. So the first thing you want to do is check your request body carefully. Open the request you're sending to Slack and look at the body. If the text field is missing, add it right away. A simple example would be text, hello. That basic line gives Slack the required text content and often fixes the error immediately. If your text field is already there, make sure it is not empty. Even an empty string can trigger the no underscore text problem. Next, if you're using blocks in your Slack message, remember that blocks are not always enough by themselves. Even when your message includes block elements, you should still include a text field as a fallback. This is important because Slack can use that fallback text for notifications, accessibility, and compatibility. So if your payload has blocks, keep the text property in the request as well. A good habit is to always test with the simplest possible payload first. Start with just a plain text message like text, hello, Vice. Send the request again and confirm that it works. Once that succeeds, you can gradually add your blocks or more advanced formatting. That makes it much easier to isolate what is causing the error. If you're working with an API integration, double check that your JSON is valid and properly structured. A missing comma, extra character, or incorrect nesting can sometimes make it look like a text issue when the real problem is formatting. So if the error continues after adding text, inspect the request body for syntax problems as well. Also make sure you are sending the request to the correct Slack endpoint and that your app or token has the right permissions. While no underscore text usually points to the message content itself, it's still worth confirming that everything else in your request is configured correctly. So the fix is really simple. Add a non-empty text field, keep text as a fallback even when using blocks, and send the request again. In most cases, that is all you need to solve the Slack no underscore text error. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more fast troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.